how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android. So let's get started. Firstly, open your iPhone. Inside iPhone, go to the WhatsApp, and inside WhatsApp, tap on the gear icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen to access settings. Now inside settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the chat option available there. Now once inside chat, you can see move to Android option available there. Simply tap on it. And once inside the move to Android, all you have to do is make sure that you have downloaded the WhatsApp on your Android devices as well. Now prepare for the transfer. Simply tap on the next option available there. After you tap on the next, you will start backing up the whole chat for the Android. And once done so, all you have to do is enter the same number what you have used in iPhone WhatsApp on your Android device, and after you do so, the chats and history will be transferred easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.